Hello and welcome to this short video on the Midi-Max Baby Kit Stand. Do you love your aluminum kit stands, but find they are a bit lightweight for some heavier lifting, and you need something that is just a little more, what's the word I'm looking for? Oh yeah, ballsy. This old metal 4-section stand folds down to 38.6 inches for storage and transportation. It has an operating range from 41.3 to a respectable 137.8 inches, with a weight of 12.3 pounds and an impressive load capacity of 28.7 pounds. You won't see any rivets on this stand. The Midi-Max Baby Kit Stand features nut and bolt construction. The top riser features a solid steel baby 5/8 inch pin welded on the top riser. This stand features heavy-duty aluminum brake castings for extra strength and smooth operation. This stand also sports signature KUPO aluminum knobs. The Midi-Max Baby Kit also features a knob on the lower spider casting, so the main riser section can be lowered independently from the base for a fourth point of contact with the ground. Let's see if the stand can support a fully rigged boom. With the weight of the boom itself, the counterweight, and a light, the total load is nothing for this stand. Yep, just as I thought, the stand is solid as a production day is long. Let's raise the bar, the boom a touch. For a strong, safe steel kit stand that will last decades and survive the rigors of production, the KUPO Midi-Max Baby Kit Stand is a precision-crafted soldier that keeps working where lesser stands may falter. Pick up a few today and make your production easier. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image-making dreams and your grip equipment, at KUPO, we like to say, never let go.